Hey, need to stay motivated this week? Let's do it. I'm Dr. Trish Leigh. I'm here. I got your back. This is Monday Motivation, Sunday afternoon style. People ask me to keep them motivated on Sunday instead of Monday morning when it's too hard to get to the videos. So here I am, albeit on my front porch. Okay, so last week we set intention. We got purposeful in our work, in our relationships, in our hobbies. What we're going to do this week is we are going to stay the course. Now, here's the deal. If you were able to stay away from your habit for No Porn November, you have already spent 1 week unwiring your brain. If you got on purpose in your work, your family, and your play, you've already spent 1 week rewiring your brain. Congratulations. We're on the way, man. We are on the way. So this week, let's stay the course. Stay away from the habit. You're going to continue to unwire your brain. This week, what I want you to do is follow my advice that in the video I just made on knowing what you're going to do tomorrow. So it's Sunday afternoon. Figure out what you're going to do tomorrow with flexibility. Schedule your time. Schedule in your work. Schedule in time for your relationships. And schedule in a little time for play. I ended up boxing with my dummy yesterday, which was great. So schedule it in so that it happens. Don't let there be enough downtime so that you feel like you're bored and you want to stimulate your brain, and don't jam pack your day so you're so stressed out that you need to calm your brain for relief at the end of the night. Okay, let's get another week under the belt. I know you can do this. Stay motivated, stay inspired, and stay the course. You got this. Remember, control your brain or it'll control you.